Hey guys, I'm Greg. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to go over Bitcoin, maybe a couple other coins, because I think Bitcoin is coming in to form a Bitcoin bottom. And right here at about $16,000, it looks like it. Let's go down to the smaller time frames. I'll show you. It looks like it decided to roll over from here. Okay, so just to let you guys know, there's some people that have still a little bit of hope in that this is a bullish move. You can't get a bullish move out of that, but like the at the end of the day, this is more of a three-way move here. And I was hoping for a three-way move a little bit higher is what I was up here. You can see that this is going to roll over and break this low. Okay, I'm going to break it down for you real quick. You can see here on the 4-hour chart, this whole leg right here. You have a leg here and here, and then down to here. So we're in this leg. You can see 1, 2, 3. And if you check out the RSI, let's break it down. Here's that 3, the 5th of the 3rd. It's rolling over to make the last one. So this is slow of the momentum. I'll go out to the 8-hour and I'll show you. Look a little bit. This is slow of the momentum that it's doing. It pulled everything up, slow everything down, and it's going to have a good amount of bullish divergence probably right here, just like that when it comes down. So there'll be a bounce coming, guys. There's going to be a bounce or something. And I have to realize too that Bitcoin is not just going to blast out of there, guys. I want you to be aware of that. It's not going to blast out of there. So it's going to, more than likely, in my opinion, it's going to do something like this. It might go up a little bit, and then it's just going to roll over, and then it's going to come back down to that area right there, right near the low, just like that. Okay. And then it might get out of there. So that whole process, just as an example, guys, it's going to be a slow process because it's beat down so much. So let's say Bitcoin's there. It's going to go up a little bit, nice and slow. People are still going to doubt. They're going to doubt Bitcoin. They're going to doubt it. And then it's just going to come back down like that. It's going to come real close. And then maybe something like that. Okay, guys. So here's the deal. This whole process right here could take 30 or 60 days. 30 or 60 days. So you have patience. You have time. It's not an issue. I don't think right now. Just have some patience, have some time. If you're following this channel, you're in USDC, you're in cash, and you're getting ready to pounce on Bitcoin and get ready to jump on the Bitcoin bottom. Okay, so just let's see what Bitcoin proves to us. And once it gets down there to the bottom, I know the sentiment out there in the market. You have YouTube videos, get your coins off the exchanges, which is actually a good idea. You should be doing that anyhow. Exchanges are going down. This is going down. We're in a bear market. We need to put on our winter coats and jump into our igloos and just say, forget about cryptocurrency. There are people that hate cryptocurrency right now. They just literally up here, they're gleeful. They had hope through here, through here, guys. Like right there, they're all pumped up. Hope. Right here, they're still being told that this was bullish. This was bullish. Now think about it reasonably, guys. If your money is on the line, and somebody comes on and says, hey, that's not bullish, and they save you from losing all of this, wouldn't you be thankful about that? I would be very thankful. And all through here, this massive downtrend on Bitcoin, they don't want to hear about cryptocurrency anymore. People are gone. They're gone. Retail's gone. Everybody's gone. They don't want to hear about it anymore. Now it's just going to be going down, down, down. This is the end of Bitcoin. Go back. Bitcoin is dead. Go look at Google Trends, and you can see we're at the Bitcoin is dead time, just like it was before when Bitcoin was dead. It had massive downtrends like that, guys. So let me break this down for you. I was going to go over some other coins. Here's Illuvium. I did a chart, this one on Illuvium, and let you guys know. It's heading to the box, okay? Illuvium may be heading right to that box in that area. This is a good, decent coin, guys. It's a gaming token. And DOT is going to make its way down there. Somebody made a comment, said there's no way DOT can go to $5. I wouldn't place that bet. I would not place that bet. I would never say never in the markets. Just a suggestion, guys. I was told about DOT a long time ago when DOT was up here. Let me go out to the daily. When I told about DOT, guys, check this out. Up here, I said DOT's going less than $10, right? In this area right here, guys. I said DOT is going to less than $10, okay? In this area, I said DOT's done, guys. It's got to correct this whole wave over here, and DOT's going less than $10. They didn't believe it. I said, and this is also what I said too. I said, once DOT is below $10, because I like to look at Polkadot for Bitcoin. Once it's below $10, then you can start looking and looking to see if the correction is over with. Okay, and so now here it is, and it's making its way down to I say $4 to $5 on Polkadot. I think this is the last bit of it to finally finish up the correction, and that's a massive correction. Look at DOT's basically coming back to where it started. All right. FTM, I presented a video. Somebody wanted me to put a bullish count into it. It doesn't look like it's going to be a bullish count. I just think Phantom is finishing off a correction, and it's coming down into the box, the 16, 17 cent area, somewhere in that area, guys, and it can finish it off. Okay. KDA, the same thing. I think it's just coming down to finish it off. And like I said, some people say that again. Look, guys, I mean, I'm not trying to belittle anybody or say anything. I'm just making a suggestion. You can never say never in the markets. Don't do that. That's one thing I learned a long time ago. Never say never, because if you think it can't happen, normally it will happen. That's just how it works, guys. Once you get past that, then you're like, oh, okay, not a big deal. It's not a big deal. You become a better trader, you become much better. You're like, okay. I mean, who cares if KDA goes down to 83 cents? I mean, it went up over $20. I mean, pick it up for 83 cents and that thing blasts up over $20. I mean, it's huge returns. Just have to plan for it next time. And if you follow this channel, you'd be like, hey, this guy told me to get out. Let me get out. And now you have a stockpile of cash. And while everybody goes through this again, because this will happen again, guys, this will happen again. You're sitting on a ton of dry powder. You have all your coins, you're in cash, you know, you put everything together, you paid your taxes, you got rid of your bills, and hey, this is going into a correction. We just had another massive wave run, and you're sitting back, hey, doing whatever you want to do. Go run some other business, whatever, work a job, open a business, do something like that. Hey, it's going down for the time, or short it. You could short it too, flip it, short Bitcoin, maybe short a couple things here, write it down. And you have to worry about this. Get everything out. Just clear it up and protect yourself. Now you know what can happen in the cryptocurrency market. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Give you guys a deal here. Here's my targets, and it's right there. So if we take a look, if we do a retrace, let's do a retrace on this leg. This is the whole third leg. I'm going from the top of the third wave to the bottom, and it's looking like it's using Fibonacci. It's going to hit the Fibonacci 382, and that was good enough for it. Here's the other reason why. I was going to show you something. You guys want to use it on log and off log. You see, if you take it off log, it didn't hit 382. It was just a point above 236. You put it on log, boom. You see it hit 382. Pretty sure that it's done. It might do something in here and swing back up. I don't think so. I think it's on its journey down, guys. So this is the area. And it'll be coming to complete something right here. And you can see, here's your evidence. Okay. And if the way you will know it's going lower, a lot lower, is it's got to take everything out. If it takes everything out, you'll see it come down here and take everything out. Other than that, I'm looking for, let's take a look at the overall big picture. Okay. Now you're of the, this is a fourth wave, a second wave, and a fourth wave. Let's take a retrace on this third leg, this third wave right here. This is the bottom of the third wave to the top. We go right there. See, it's hanging out at 0.382. It could come down to 0.5, which is 15,000, somewhere in this area right here, guys. That's what I'm going to think that is going on with Bitcoin, and 16,000 to finish this up. Okay. I don't really see an issue with it. It's just all the fibs to me are making a little bit sense to me. Here's this leg, come down and then do this one right here. A 1-to-1. or right below on the 1-to-1 in that area, guys. That's how I'm looking at it with the with cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. So I think it's coming. I think it's coming in to form a bottom, in my opinion. So now I could be wrong. There's some people that are just are going with this move, and then this right here is coming down to these areas for a second wave correction, which that's actually more bullish. That's more bullish because then it'll be going into a third wave. Okay, it'll come down here to correct it, and it'll come down here to correct this second wave, and it's more bullish to go into a third wave. And that's huge, guys. So that's huge. Just to give you an idea, let's go out to the 3-day chart. I'll show you something, how huge that would be. Okay, if it's going into a third wave, let's say Bitcoin corrects right there, and this is all the first wave, and let's say it corrects to 10,000. You know, it just doesn't make sense to me, guys. This doesn't make sense. But a third wave run up to these areas, this is the area it would be going to. 114, 191, something like that, potentially even higher than that, guys. You know, what's that, 242? That seems kind of crazy. Let's see. Yeah, and those areas, guys. If you think that that's it's going into a third wave, that's a massive wave, guys. You know, this is a third wave. You have to understand, this is a third wave right here of this structure. Okay, so now if this is a first wave like this, it's coming down, and this third wave is bigger than this wave, this whole wave. So those that say this is a second wave correction are more bullish than I am. They're more bullish than I am. Just to let you guys know, this is going to be a massive wave. It's you can't really say it's like that. The price appreciation over here, but this is coming in. Until it proves to me, Bitcoin has to prove to me that this is a third wave. So either way, you can go with you're protected either way. So check this out. It comes down and forms a bottom. You can wait for bullish activity of Bitcoin coming off the bottom, because it'll probably take 30 days for it to suss itself out, at least maybe 60 days. And then you can start picking up DCAing into Bitcoin after a little bit of bullish activity. If not, you just wait. If you think it's going to continue to go down, you get it down here and go into the third wave. A couple options. The only disadvantage to the second wave theory is you're going to have to wait longer. It's probably going to be at least till the end of the year, maybe even longer. That's it, guys. So at the end of the day, Bitcoin isn't dead. It's going to stay around. It's not going anywhere, and it's going to go back into a bullish move. The markets will always come back eventually. Thanks for watching. Peace.